We share this blue planet with a plethora of creatures, and while some live in relative safety, others have reached the danger of extinction, and others have completely vanished off the face of the Earth. Extinction due to our own species came in different ways, some by deforestation, poaching, or something humans did that changed the natural balance in an area. While there are many, here are 10 unique ones. Number 1. Woolly mammoth. One of the most amazing and giant animals to go extinct is the woolly mammoth. They survived through an ice age, but were unable to survive the greed of humans. They are considered to be the ancestors of modern-day elephants. Currently, attempts are being made in Russia to bring them back from extinction using the remaining fossils. The woolly mammoth was roughly the same size as modern African elephants. Males reached shoulder heights between 2.7 and 3.4 meters, 8.9 and 11.2 feet, and weighed up to 6 metric tons, 6.6 short tons. Females reached 2.6 to 2.9 meters, 8.5 to 9.5 feet, in shoulder height and weighed up to 4 metric tons, 4.4 short tons. Number 2. Madeiran large white butterfly. This beautiful butterfly was found in the valleys of the laurisilva forests on Portugal's Madeira Islands. Loss of habitat due to construction as well pollution is the major cause of extinction. The size varied from 55 to 65 millimeters. It was the first butterfly to be declared extinct in Europe as a result of consumerist activities. It can reach a size of 55 to 65 millimeters. The wings are pure white with a wide black tip on the apexes of the forewings. Its natural habitat is the laurisilva laurel forest. Larvae have yellow stripes on the upper part of the green body and have black lumps. Number 3. Tasmanian tiger. The Tasmanian tiger was the largest carnivorous marsupial of the modern era. It became extinct in the early 1930s due to excessive hunting and poaching. Also known as thylacine, this tiger was relatively shy and nocturnal and resembled a large-sized dog, except for its stiff tail and abdominal pouch. Tasmanian tigers were 39 to 51 inches, 100 to 130 centimeters long, and the tail added 20 to 26 inches, 50 to 65 centimeters, to its length. They weighed 33 to 66 oz, 15 to 30 kilograms, according to Encyclopedia Britannica. Tasmanian tigers looked like dogs with yellowish fur. Number 4. Quagga. The quagga was a magnificent half-zebra, half-horse creature. It was hunted to extinction in 1883 to preserve the land for agricultural animals and for their meat and hides. The name is derived from its call, which sounded like quagga. The quagga was the first animal to have its DNA analyzed and was confirmed to have genes closer to zebras than horses. The quagga was native to dry grassy plains in the south of the African continent. It was found as far north as the Orange River. It is believed to have separated from other plains zebras between 120,000 and 290,000 years ago. The name quagga comes from the noise that they made. Number 5. Irish elk. Irish elk populated much of northern Europe during the glacial period. They are also known as giant deer. They went extinct around 5,000 years ago. Its range extended across Eurasia during the Pleistocene, from Ireland to Siberia to China. It stood around 7 feet tall at the shoulder, weighing around 40 kg. Number 6. Dodo is probably the first creature that strikes one's mind when asked about extinct creatures. These birds were both fearless and flightless, making them an easy target, which made them extinct. This bird was endemic to the island of Mauritius. The closest living relative of the dodo is the Nicobar pigeon. No complete dodo specimens exist, making it hard to determine its plumage and color. The dodo, Raphus cucullatus, is an extinct flightless bird that was endemic to the island of Mauritius, which is east of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. The dodo's closest genetic relative was the also extinct Rodriguez solitaire. Number 7. Ground sloth. They were unique beasts that thrived through the Ice Age. It has been extinct for more than 10,000 years. They were massive in size and too huge to be killed by humans. The giant sloth evolved in South America around 35 million years ago, but later migrated to North America around 8 million years ago. They were herbivores, meaning they ate vegetation. Ground sloths are a diverse group of extinct sloths in the mammalian superorder Ctenophora. The term is used to refer to all extinct sloths because of the large size of the earliest forms discovered compared to existing tree sloths. The Caribbean ground sloths, the most recent survivors, lived in the Antilles, possibly until 1550 before Christ. However, radiocarbon dating suggests an age of between 2819 and 2660 BCE for the last occurrence of megalochnus in Cuba. Ground sloths had been extinct on the mainland of North and South America for 10,000 years or more. They survived 5,000 to 6,000 years longer in the Caribbean than on the American mainland, which correlates with the later colonization of this area by humans. Number 8. Great auk. The great auk was a large bird that could not fly. People hunted it for meat and feathers. It grew rare because it was too easy to kill, and the ones left could not breed fast enough to make up for the lost ones. The last known great auks, there were 2 auks, were killed on June 3, 1844 in Iceland. Number 9. Baiji. The Baiji, or the Chinese river dolphin, was a victim of hunting and modern industrialization. During the 1950s, this was hunted officially, which led to their extinction in 2006. The population declined drastically in decades as China industrialized and made heavy use of the river for other purposes. A period of hunting caused the decline of this creature. Number 10. Golden toad. This is the brightest species of animal that have ever disappeared. The fluorescent animal became extinct due to global warming and pollution. The main habitat of this creature was on a cold, wet ridge called Brillante. The golden toad mostly inhabited northern Costa Rica's Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve and preferred lower elevations. The golden toad, Encilius paragons, is an extinct species of true toad that was once abundant in a small, high-altitude region of about 4 square kilometers, 1.5 square miles, in an area north of the city of Monteverde, Costa Rica. It was endemic to the Elfin Cloud Forest. This was all for today's video. We hope you will like this video and subscribe to this channel and comment down below on what you want to see next. Peace out.